Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at the Stihl 64 chainsaw, 84.9 cc. It's got the 52 millimeter piston in it. RPM on that is idle is 2,500. The maximum RPM is 13,000. This one features a 28-inch steel bar, 3/8 pitch, sprocket nose. Skip tooth chain, very popular combination there. And we'll take a close-up look at some of the features. Kill switch is right here. It's called the master control switch also. Off, on, high idle, and high idle choke. It's got the hand protector and foot pad we've talked about before. You can see how it helps protect your hand in case of a chain throwing. And works as a foot pad when starting this high compression engine. You just put your foot in place there on the ground, get a good grip on that handlebar, and you can start this saw on the ground easily. Side load on the oil reservoir, as well as the gas reservoir. It's got double falling spikes, working chain brake, and what we call 3/4 wrap steel handlebar. Very nice handlebar. Very good running saw, very popular saw. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.